welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the March cloth and paper subscription box. So first item in this box is this art graphic, I think is what they're calling them. So this has been coming in the boxes for the past few months. They're generally just like a quote or a design. This one I actually really like because it is just a checklist. And I'm probably gonna put this on my Erin Condren wall organization center and keep this up at all times. So we have this, and then after that we have, it looks like a lot of different items in here. So I think the theme is going to be spring cleaning if I had to guess. One thing to point out is that I did change the size again for this box. So typically I get A5. Last month I got HP mini, and then this month I did personal because of the inserts that I saw, because of the sneak peek. And the sneak peek that I saw that made me want to change it was this cleaning and chores list. So you have your daily chores on here. You can break it down by week and then have notes, and it's double-sided. And so I really wanted to put this in my daily planner, which is my personal planner. So I wanted to get this in the personal size, but this is the first item, and I'm very excited for this and for all of these and this theme that they have going on with spring cleaning. After that, you have the half-page cleaning inventory lists, which pair perfectly with it. So you have a supply list and then any reminders. And so this is great to keep track of anything that you may need. So we have these two, and then I'll show you how it looks in the personal after we unbox everything. After that, we have a few dashboards. So we have the Wave dashboard, the logo file dashboard, and then the window dashboard. Overall, not a huge fan of these. Again, I don't know, I can't get into their new designs. There are a few things that I like, but it's been really hit or miss with me personally. So I'll probably be destashing these on the Cloth and Paper Facebook group. But they are cute, they're just not my style. But we have these. And then after that, we have the Fog Color Barline Notepad. So my favorite part about the subscription box is that I can get a variety of different accessories and try things out that I normally wouldn't buy. So we just have some line notes, and this is a 4x6 inch notepad with 50 sheets. After that, we have the email and call minimal task card set. So it matches that same style that we got last month or the month before with the AM and the PM cards. And then after that, we have the new Circle Sticky Note Set Palette Volume 2. The card says that they've included 2 new colors, Beignet and Quartz. So I don't know what the original one is and which one's which, since I don't have that little code on the back, but I do love this color scheme, and this is probably my favorite set of page flags. But we have these. And then after that is the Quartz transparent page flag. So Quartz is going to be this middle one. So we have that. And then for the journaling cards, so we have the May clear card, and then just a few other cards. So we have these. And then that is everything in the box. Again, overall, I really like this box, and I actually like everything except for the dashboards. I just won't use them, so I am going to destash them. Okay, so I have an entire tab for this section. So I'm only going to keep a month's worth of inserts in here, and so these are front and back, so you only need 2 if you're doing a month at a time. And then for the cleaning inventory, I don't need to have one each week, so this is just going to be for the month. So this tab will just be updated monthly. And then I just want to show you all the new circle page flags as well. And then we're just going to wrap up this video. So So here's what they look like on paper and over text. And then other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.